If you're considering Seller Trend for your dropshipping business in 2025, understanding their pricing structure is essential. Seller Trend offers a range of subscription plans tailored to different business needs, each providing access to a comprehensive suite of tools designed to streamline your dropshipping operations. The Lite plan priced at 29.97 a month is ideal for those just starting out. It includes essential features like AI powered product research with 10 daily uses, a Facebook ads finder with 5 daily uses, and the ability to push up to 25 products to your store. This plan also grants access to one connected store and basic store intelligence tools, making it a solid choice for beginners looking to explore dropshipping without a significant upfront investment. For those aiming to scale their business, the Essential Plan at 49.97 per month offers unlimited AI product research, unlimited Facebook Ads Finder usage, and the capacity to push up to 500 products to your store. Additionally, it includes one sell shop e-commerce platform, 100 users of the Store Intelligence Spy tool, and 20 AI brand builder credits, providing more advanced tools to enhance your store's performance and marketing efforts. The Pro plan, priced at 99.97 per month, is designed for business seeking advanced features, includes all the benefits of the Essential plan, with the added advantages of two connected stores. The ability to push up to 1,000 products and 250 users off the Store Intelligence Spy tool. Moreover, it offers 40 AI brand builder credits and the option to use both images and videos for ad creation, catering to those looking to expand their reach and optimize their marketing strategies. If this breakdown helped you understand seller trends pricing, please like the video, subscribe for more e-commerce insights, and leave a comment if you have any questions or need further clarification.